What is first trimester screening? You're pregnant and 11 to 13 plus 6 weeks. This is the right time for your first trimester screening. During this time, we do a scan called NT scan, which detects the nuchal translucency of the baby, that is the skin fold thickness at the neck. If it is thicker, then chance of Down syndrome is there. In a similar way, flow inside the heart of the baby, flow inside the ductus venosus of the baby. The pictures give some kind of a clue into genetic problems. You have prediction for hypertension in pregnancy, that is called preeclampsia, by the uterine arteries and their Dopplers. All these tests give you the best of outcomes when they are combined, whether it is an NT scan plus double marker or an NT scan plus quadruple marker. There are certain softwares like Astria, Viewpoint. There are multiple softwares which give the analysis together, which is called a combined report. Problems during the pregnancy, that is BP, preterm birth, and also insight into various genetic problems like Down syndrome, trisomy 18 and 13 also. Always make sure that it is a combined report with NT double marker or NT quadruple marker. Always choose fetal medicine centers where there is correct diagnosis, correct position of the baby and correct measurements that can give you a very good clue.